Hey, how you doing? Justin here. This week we're checking out a lick I call slide to the same, which is a very kind of basic concept, but it gets used a whole lot in rock and blues and all sorts of different styles. The basic idea is that we play a note on one string, say the thinner string in this particular lick, like the note A, and then we slide to the note A on the second string or the next string over. Very, very common kind of blues kind of effect. Gets used loads of different ways. I'll show you the lick specifically, which is just kind of A minor pentatonic basically, but you can use it in lots of different ways on any string you like, and it really helps if you know the notes on the fingerboard. You know, it's a really good excuse for knowing the notes on the fingerboard or learning them if you haven't learned them already. So let's get to a close-up look at the lick, and then I'll go through and explain some different ways to use it, and then I'll give you some little demos of me using the concept. Okay, the lick as I've got it written out for you is starting here on the note A with the first finger on the 5th fret of the thinner string. So we'd play that first, then we'd look for the same note, which is the note A on the second string, which is found here at the 10th fret. So we'd play the first note and slide up to the second note. Now it doesn't really matter how many frets you slide. It's not like going where you've got a kind of what I call a specific slide. This is a non-specific slide, meaning it could be from 1 fret, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. It doesn't really matter, as long as you're finishing on that note A. So we'd play A, slide up to A. Then the next note in the A minor pentatonic scale is the note C. And then we'd slide up to a C on the second string, which is here 13th fret. The next note in the minor pentatonic is the note D, which we play there at the 10th fret, and then we'd slide up to the next D on the second string, which is here, the 15th fret. Then there's the note E, which is 12th fret thinner string, and 17th fret on the second string. So that's the lick as I've got shown to you there. But what's really important is that you get that it doesn't have to be those notes, or like all of them in a row. If you're playing a blues, might go from there, see? That's one that I use quite a lot, is bending from D to E, then sliding up to E. So we've got 3 ways of playing E: bending to E, playing to E, and sliding to E. And then I play G and slide to G. And you can see I've kind of covered a lot of ground there from the 5th fret, and I'm kind of somewhere in between 3rd and 4th positions now. So the lick itself can kind of, it can get you places, you know, and it can be anywhere. It can be, doesn't have to be the thinnest 2 strings even, so you might, there's C, C. There's so many different ways of using this, you know, and that's really what I want you to explore here, is just find a note. You know, it doesn't even have to be pentatonic scale. You might pick this note, B, we're in A. So B. There's the A, going to another A. I hope you have a lot of fun playing about with the slide to the same lick. There's a whole lot of ideas in there, a whole lot of really creative licks that you can make up using this concept. So now's the time for you to improvise with it, explore it, and see what you can come up with and make it your own lick. Have fun, see you for another lick very soon. Take care, bye-bye.